Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to use the lasso tool. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is go ahead and click on it right here. It's just like I said, it looks like a little lasso. It's called the free select tool. And with this tool, it essentially is just a free select. So when you click, you can go in any direction. You can even draw it if that's something that you want to do. So like I could draw that and then that would become a thing, or I could like follow the path and let's say I just want to cut out the head, right? So let's cut out the head. So I like to just make a bunch of clicks and make it straight lines. And once that's all gone ahead and dandy, so let's just go ahead and cut the face out and be all quick. To select it, you have to make sure the little circle lights up, and then now it's one thing. Then if I were to select, I could, I don't know, I could cut or something, and then I could get rid of it, or I could invert it so it's everything outside of what I've selected, and then cut that. So now I have the head, and I could use this head as like a sticker for like another photo, or I could cut out people, put them in different photos, cut people out of photos. Like you could do so much with this tool. It is really cool. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.